All right, today's May 22nd, and just a recap for today. Put the cover on for the fan, and I was one time able to fish the inside heater core assembly into the inside of the firewall through those holes. So that way I can put this fender on without having to take it back off to put the heater box on. So I hope I got this figured out. It's already caulked, sealed down. I just got some temporary bolts on right here to smash that seal. So there's the 4 bolts. We got one, two, three, 4 that are on the inner heater core. So those are on just temporarily until I get the heater core in. And then that's kind of what I did on the car itself. I did some minor painting. I put this heater core assembly together, painted it, got a new core, clips in, painted the clips, painted this back side of the core, and then put a new piece of foam on the flap on the inside. Of course, the rest of it's not painted, but I'll do that later. And then I also got the engine in the back of a truck. I have this cool little hoist, mechanical hand hoist. That I just hung for the rafters right up there. I just hung it, and then backed up and put the engine in it. So the engine is off to go get rebuilt, cleaned up. And I just got some numbers just to clarify. See them. There's the engine numbers, little firing order, and then intake manifold number, and then what are numbers? There's one on the pump here. Let's see it. And there's the mark on the back. And where else? I got some markings here. Oil pan. What else? Those numbers there or not? Those are numbers. But anyway. So hopefully we'll get this cleaned up. Yep. And that's it today. All right.